Hello, darling, and welcome back to Wonderland. I'm back today with another hair tutorial on how to achieve these double Dutch French braids and thought I would include my friends. Once I've divided my hair into two sections, I'm going to start pulling pieces to frame along my face. This will look more like an effortlessly done hairstyle. Taking a small section of hair, I'm dividing that into three sections. From that section, I'm taking the top strand and placing that underneath the middle strand. Then I'm doing the same thing on the other side, taking that lower section of hair and placing that underneath the middle. I'm going to gradually start picking up very small pieces of hair and incorporating that into each of the strands that I'm going to place underneath the middle. For a more romantic and thicker looking braid, I'm spreading apart some of these braided sections ever so slightly. Aren't they just the cutest? Anyway, I'm starting the same exact process on the other side, taking a small section of hair, dividing that into three sections, taking each and every section and placing that underneath the middle. Once we've completed that stitch, we are going to take very small pieces of hair and incorporate that into the braid until we have no more hair to pick up. Then I'm going to spread apart some of those pieces ever so slightly for a more thicker, volumized braid. That concludes my Dutch braid tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and my friends making an appearance. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another adventure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.